She'll never love you like I do. Tell me now, where did I go? Tell me now, I've got the right to know. Tell me how you can stand the way you're hurting me so. Tell me if you ever change your mind. Tell me if you wanna make it right. Am I the only one hurt tonight? Why don't you care? Whatever happens to me, you won't be there. Now, wherever we'll go, we'll be apart, apart, apart. You're no longer the man you used to be. 'Cause the man that I loved wasn't cruel to me. He never hurt me so. Now I'm on my knees as you watch me cry. You just stand there calm, all you do is sigh. No way, I can't recognize you're not mine anymore. Just the way you used to. You're not mine anymore. Just the way that you used to. You're not mine anymore. The way you used to. You're not mine anymore. Can't you bring your love back to me? Oh, my baby. Why don't you care? Whatever happens to me, you won't be there. And I know wherever we'll go, we'll be apart, 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 apart.